How to treat triceps tendonitis. Triceps tendonitis is an inflammation of your triceps tendon, which is a thick band of connective tissue that connects your triceps muscle to the back of your elbow. You use your triceps muscle to straighten your arm back out after you have bent it. Triceps tendonitis can be caused by overuse of pain due to work-related activities or sports such as throwing a basketball. It can also occur due to sudden injury to the tendon. There are several different treatment recommendations for triceps tendon. Let's walk through some of the treatment options which are going to discuss now. So watch the video till end. Let's get started. First line treatment. The first line treatment for triceps tendonitis are aimed at reduce pain and inflammation while preventing further injury. The acronym RISE is important to remember when initial treatment triceps tendonitis. Rest, ice, compression, elevate. Rest. Avoid movements or activities that could further irritate or damage your triceps tendon. Ice. Apply ice to the affected area for about 20 minutes several times a day to help with pain and swelling. Compressions. Use bandages or wraps to compress and provide support to the area until swelling has gone down. Elevate. Keep the affected area rising above the level of your heart to also help the swelling. Medications. If first line treatment doesn't work, your doctor may recommend some additional medications to treat triceps tendonitis. There are injections such as corticosteroid injections can help reduce pain and swelling. Physical therapy. Physical therapy may also be an option to help treat your triceps tendonitis, such as elbow bend and straighten, French stretch, static triceps stretch, towel resistance. Symptoms. Some symptoms that indicate that you may have triceps tendonitis include pain that occurs when you use your triceps muscle, a limited range of motion in your arm, weakness in or around your triceps elbow shoulder, a bulge or area of swelling on the back of your upper arm near the elbow. When to see a doctor. Many cases of triceps tendonitis may result using first line care measures. However, in some cases, you may need to see your doctor to discuss your condition and how to treat it more efficiently. This is the information that I am sharing with you about the treatment of triceps tendonitis. So please take care. If you have any doubts, drop a comment. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do it right now. And stay with us for more updates. Please share. Follow us on Instagram where daily new posts with MCQs, clinical questions, quiz, diagnosis, daily new medical terminologies will be uploaded.